Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create an intro using the transition match and move in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to elements. We're going to select our image. We're going to adjust the size to match the background. Alright, now we're going to get a shape. We're going to adjust the size of the shape. Now we're going to turn the transparency to about 52. Now we're going to change the color. Bring it to the side. Then we're going to add a next shape. We're going to turn down the transparency to 0. Now we're going to group. Bring it to the side. Now we're going to add a next shape. We're going to change the color to black. Now we're going to adjust the size of this shape. Now we're going to add a next shape. We're going to turn the transparency to 0. And we're going to group. We're going to bring it to the top. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to rotate. Going to bring it down. Now we're going to add our text. Change the color, change the font. Now we're going to go to effects and we're going to add the effect lift. You're going to maximize it to 100. Now we're going to bring this from the side. We're going to go to layers, show layers. We're going to put the makeup artist behind both of the black elements. Once that is completed, we're going to drag here, bring it down, cover the entire thing. We're going to adjust this to about 4 minutes. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to open, so we're going to bring the black one up. We're going to bring this one down. We're going to drag this to the side. Now we're going to make the text smaller. Bring it right here. Now we're going to zoom in on the image. Now we're going to duplicate. I'm going to zoom out. Now we're going to make the text bigger. Now we're going to drag this from the left to the middle. We want it about here. Here is fine. So we're going to drag this up, drag this one down. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to open this, drag this one up. I'm going to adjust the size of this. Now we're going to duplicate the page. So we do that, we're going to zoom in on the text. We're going to bring this up, this one down. Then we're going to add the transition match and move. Apply between all pages. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.